Okay, so the next question says, in addition to Shnayim Mikra Ve'echad Targum, should one add an extra commentary like Ramban?
Ramban, okay. If it's possible for you, yes. So if you finish with Rashi, so I would say if a person start like a few years, do just Rashi, right? So you're very very familiar with a simple explanation, with the most common, most accepted information, right? Like not information, commentary on Chumash, so you know exactly the story. When you go to Ramban, so and I went to Ramban, and actually, unfortunately, very very fortunate, I did not finish this year. Still from the past year, so I started like unfortunately I'm behind. But many times he would reject what Rashi said. Many times he would reject what Ramban said, or Ibn Ezra and other people. So before you go to and learn Ramban, you have to have like a very strong foundation that Rashi is what is accepted, and Ramban is very important, but it's not like accepted as a simple explanation. You understand? So I would advise to wait until you're like very familiar. Somebody asks you a verse, and you know exactly Rashi and commentary on Rashi, what it says here, why it said, Midrash, Talmud, and stuff like that, and then go only to Ramban. Otherwise, a person would get confused. It's this kind of people, as I said before, like they have they have information. You ask them for a clear answer, they would not give you. Right? So Ramban, he takes many lines he just skipped completely, meaning that he would not add anything to the Rashi. Okay, it's simple. But some lines he would take one idea and develop over like 10 pages, like deeper and deeper and deeper. So you have to be ready for that. Okay. So I would say that's what I said. Prepare yourself. Okay. What else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.